Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to run a video over OmeTv, right? And basically I will show you how you can play it. So here this is my OBS, right? And once you are into the OBS, here you will find the source, right? So if you'll just find a source, just click on plus icon. Once you click the plus icon, you will get this media source. So just click on media source. You can just rename it. So I will just write here OmeTv video, right? And after that I will just click on make source visible. Of course, make sure you tick on this, and I will just click on OK. Once I click on this, I have to select a video, whichever video you just want to play. I'll just go to the browse section. Let me make it bigger, and I will select a video. Let's say this is a video. I'll just click on open, right? You can just click on loop 2. You can just increase the speed of the video if you want, right? Then we'll just scroll a little bit down, and there is a nothing much for use. You make sure if you want to loop, then you can just select this one, and this is a speed. Then I will click OK, and you can just select the video however length or bigger you want to play, right? So you can see that the video is playing, and you can just want to add it over the OmeTv, then click on start virtual camera, right? And once you click on start virtual camera, you will be able to add it, and this is how you can do. So guys, if you found this video really useful, make sure to like this video, subscribe our channel, and see you guys in the next video.